This is what chaos looks like in a city. And this is harmony. Chaos, harmony. Chaos, harmony. And chaos leads to frustration. And this is harmony. Okay guys, so today we are going to demonstrate how you can save a ton of time, money and frustration by using Multicollab, and how you can basically go from chaos to complete harmony. Okay, let's get started. And just to put this into context, 43.2% of all the websites are built using WordPress. So that means that there are thousands upon thousands of people out there working as a team, collaborating on blog posts and pages that are still using the old-fashioned way, that are still using Google Docs. Okay, so let's say you want to collaborate on a blog post with your team members and colleagues. So you have to go to Google Docs, create a new page and share it with everyone else, okay? So after this, you have the blog post created. Now, what's the next step? Well, basically you have to copy and paste everything. So Ctrl+C and then go to WordPress, Ctrl+V, and do the same with all your paragraphs, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. And you also have to import the media, so the image here, you know, because this you cannot just copy and paste it. You have to download it and then import it into WordPress. So all of this seems a bit tedious in the end, you know. And it's true that you can select any of those areas here and add a comment or even suggestions. But now here's the thing, you can do so as well immediately from within WordPress. So with Multicollab, you can add inline comments, add suggestions, attach document, and invite team members and guests to collaborate on your blog post and pages. And you get a lot of other features as well, like email and Slack notifications, reports and activities, custom permissions, and it's also fully multilingual as well. So instead of using Google Docs and wasting a lot of time copy pasting in between documents, let me show you what Multicollab is capable of. So let's open our document here and let's pretend you're working on this blog post here. Okay, so first by the side here you have this icon. If you click on this, you can basically share this document with everyone else. So you can basically invite either guests or team members. Okay, so let's click on share. And all you have to do is just to type their email address. So let's say, for instance, john.doe@multicollab.com. And now you can assign different privileges. So they can join you as viewers or commenters, okay? And then you can also notify them and type a personal message here, just like this, okay? So once you have this done, all you have to do is click send, and they will receive an email notification inviting them over to work with you and collaborate on this document. So as you can see, we got a confirmation that the email was sent. And now from John Doe's perspective, I get the email, I click on what's in the email, and I can join in and help you out with this document. Okay, so now how can you collaborate with John Doe on the same document? Well, it's very simple. So let me just hide myself here for a second. So basically you can highlight any of those sections here. And if you wanted to add a comment, click on this icon here, and then you can type your message. So type your message here, okay? And then click comment. There you go. And now everyone who has access to this document will be able to read that. Or you can also use the add key and then typing the name of the user. So you can send this directly to John Doe himself. So maybe you can ask John a simple question, you know, hey John, how's that for a statement? Is that correct? Can you confirm, please? And then you can also assign this to Joe automatically. So that means that now he is responsible for marking it as done. And then after this, all you have to do is post your reply. And now when John will join in, he can post his reply. And after this, he can mark it as done. As you can see, yeah, that's perfectly fine. I'll mark this as done. And there it is. You can mark this as resolved. And that's basically sorted out. Okay, so now let me show you an even more impressive feature, which is absolutely mind-blowing. You're going to love this one. Okay, let me show you, okay? This is called the suggestion. So let's say here more than 46% of sites around the world use WordPress. So I'm not too sure if that's correct. I think it's 43.2 precisely. So what I'm going to do now is to highlight this section here and make sure that the suggestion mode is on. As you can see, there's a bluish background. That means it's on at the moment, okay? Now I'm going to hit the delete key, delete. And as you can see, now it's gone into red. And I'm going to replace this value with the actual one. So 43.2%, okay? Very good. And now I can even leave a message if I wanted to. So for instance, I looked it up online and it says 43.2%. Should we keep it this way? I send my reply. And now anyone who's going to come along and collaborate on this document will be able to either approve, accept the suggestion, or reject it. So I'm just going to prove it here. Okay, so accept it. And there you go. As you can see now, the changes have taken effect immediately. So one was removed and the other one stays there. So that's basically how the suggestion mode works. I hope that you found this content helpful, and if so, in order for us to continue providing value, it would mean a lot if you could subscribe to our channel. And if you want to be a superstar, you can also like and share this video with all your friends who might benefit from this amazing collaboration tool. And from all of us at Multicollab, we'd like to thank you for your support. Okay guys, so as you can clearly see, Multicollab is a very powerful tool that will allow you to collaborate on any Gutenberg blog post or page. Now, there are so many features, we cannot cover them all in this video obviously, but if you want to discover them all one by one, we'll leave a playlist right here.